Hello, my English learners. How are you? This is my day 22 of 30-day English speaking challenge. First, I started my practice by listening to an English TV show. After that, I shadowed the conversations from the show. The conversations are very basic and easy to understand. By practicing them, I learn how to use different sentences and phrases in daily conversations. This practice also helps me improve my pronunciation, speaking rhythm, and confidence. Next, I practice daily use English sentences from the Kanchan Kesri English Connection YouTube channel. Today I noted down 22 useful English sentences and practiced speaking them. After that, I watched a short English lesson from the same channel. Today I learned two new words, lurch and trickling. After completing my study session, I practice all of these sentences in front of the mirror. Mirror practice helped me improve my confidence, pronunciation, and speaking English. Next, reading practice. I read aloud from a YouTube short video. I focused on my pronunciation, fluency, and speaking speed while reading. This practice helped me speak more clearly and confidently. Next, I practiced speaking with ChatGPT. First, ChatGPT gave me a speaking topic with 3 discussion points. The topic was a skill I want to learn. I spoke for several minutes without interruption and shared my thoughts, experience, and opinions. After that, we practiced a real life conversation. The situation was that I met my friend after a long time and we had a natural conversation in English. At the end, ChatGPT gave me detailed feedback on my fluency, grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, sentence formation, and confidence. This feedback helped me understand my strengths and the areas I need to improve. If you are also struggling to learn English, you can try these practice methods. They have really helped me improve my confidence and fluency. I invite you to join this challenge and start your own English speaking journey. Step by step, you will see your progress too. Next, I will share my 30-day progress with you this Saturday. All the best for your journey too. Thank you so much for watching. That's a wrap up for week 4, day 22 of my 30-day English speaking challenge.